What is up, people?
It's too early in the
way too
morning,
early.
as you can tell.
So today's challenge, I don't think it's a challenge, is it really a challenge?
We're gonna go and try some durian! And my tummy's ready. Today we have a special guest to join our journey.
What's good, what's good?
Here's the thing though.
Oh shit, here's the twist.
Oh
There's
no,
a twist to it.
I knew it!
As
It's
usual.
too early.
Trina, Justin, you guys, have your ups and downs. So I want to bond you all together. So in order to bring you all together, so that you all be together, you guys will be handcuffed for 12 hours.
Trina, do you know why you got the handcuffs for?
Wait, you saw the handcuff?
I rented the handcuffs!
Wait, you didn't know why the handcuff was there in the first place?
No, because my job is weird as it is, so why should I ask?
We are not doing durian?
No! Just don't poop, okay?
So which hand are you guys going to give up?
My left hand.
Well, it's gonna scratch my watch if I use my left one, so...
It's exchange.
Yeah. So come on, switch.
Wait, really?
You go pee first,
So you want me to be first?
Go pee first! Of course you picked the Malay and the Chinese to be.
And the Indian gets to conquer. I think they're going to be amazing too.
She feels closer already.
Do you like kids, Justin?
Nope, hey kids.
I love kids.
I play guitar.
I play with hearts.
Music you listen to?
Metal.
I listen to R&B, jazz, soul, hip-hop. Half of my career is theater.
Can't dance, can't do shit. We are going for yoga. I think we're going for yoga.
Yeah, we're going for a yoga session. I do hot
I
yoga.
can't touch my toes. I think Jiven said we're allowed to change, but we'd have to be stuck in it for the rest of the day.
So we'll be sweaty and disgusting the whole day.
Oh, she dropped something. Let's go back, let's go back. Yeah, pick it up.
Yeah.
See? Going well already.
It was tiring, but it wasn't too bad. It's just a little stressful remembering that this exists. I think we did a pretty decent job, right, Justin?
I hated every second of it. We weren't allowed to change, so...
I mean,
Yeah, but you can shower. Aren't you guys going to shower?
Nope.
nope, nope.
I'm just gonna pee.
Yeah, okay, I'll follow for that one.
Yeah. Okay, I hope I don't miss. Oh man, I'm doing some acrobatics in here.
Do you spray anything?
Nope.
Okay.
All in the hips.
Doing good? Yeah.
Wash hands. Wash your hands.
Curry tuna. Oh, you know what you should do?
What?
Just buy one hot cup. We put that in, we cook it, then we reuse that container.
We're gonna just have this with either sardine or curry, tuna. Just spreading on this batter. Make it like an appetizer and shit.
What's main course?
Mee goreng. Instant mee goreng.
With papadum.
Papadum.
We'll wash it down with some Milo.
Yeah, wash it down some Milo. And finish it with the
Oh, I forgot about
twisties.
twisties, yeah.
Twisties.
I don't like when they don't do it my way. Honestly, I can't wait to just get this over with.
I think we got the right treats. He wanted it in Malaysian.
Yeah.
I think this is as Malaysian as we can get.
Like, every Malaysian will know this.
I'm sorry I disappeared for a while.
yeah,
So,
sure.
we're supposed to have a picnic, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me what the food is.
Okay, what is this?
Maggi mee?
Excusable. It's me, Sada. Well, this is the highlight.
Papadum. Butt cheeks.
What's up?
Okay.
So, are you happy so far?
So far, so
So
good.
far, so good? Okay.
Good try. How do you all feel for 12 hours being stuck
Oh,
together?
right. Those are
What do you all learn about each other?
So I've learned that I like being free. And also, life is a lot harder when you have to pee when you're strapped to someone.
I learned that Justin talks a lot. And I talk little, which is very new.
But I think Trina didn't piss me off, so...
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, Justin.
So we can get along. Here, high five.
Yeah, give me 5.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's fine. I'm glad. We can do it.
I'm never doing this again though.
I want to let you all know something. You can take this off by yourself. So basically, you press this and yeah. Press! Great job! Good job! I'm just gonna take this Milo and
Oh my god.
Happy Merdeka, guys!
Oh.
Woo! That's all,
Bye.
Milo.
Bye.
This is the meaning of
See you
independence.
never. You know, we do have to embrace our differences, you
Yeah.
know. We're very different from one another.
Yeah.
But we do have to get along, because it makes things better.
And so we can always be one.
Aw, so sweet. Merdeka!
Merdeka!